Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all really well. Today is February the 17th, and if you didn't know, on Monday it was Valentine's Day. Now, we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day very much in our house. We kind of exchange cards, we do a little bit for Olivia. But this year, I feel like I haven't spent a lot of quality time with my friends, my girlfriends. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to treat them all to a Galentine's Day. So on Saturday, they are all coming to my house, and I am going to do a kind of afternoon tea like thing with them. I'm going to kind of have some cakes and scones and sandwiches and things like that, and just treat my friends how I want them to be treated by me. Just to kind of say thank you really for all of their support and their love and everything that they do for me and for my family, for my children. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I just thought I would bring you guys along for this lovely thing that we're going to be doing. So I've got a few things that I want to show you that I've bought already. But I also need to set the table, and I need to actually go shopping and get them some food to eat, because I haven't done that either. But yeah, I've got this afternoon and tomorrow to do that, because they're coming round on Saturday late morning time. So yeah, but I thought I would start off by showing you what I have got already, because I've actually got a little activity that I need to do that should be quite nice, and I'm going to make them a little present. So let me show you how I'm going to put that all together. So if we just go into the kitchen, the thing I want to show you is in here, but first of all I actually just want to show you these gorgeous plates. So I picked these up from John Lewis. I just think they are so nice. I've actually got about 6 of us coming, but I only got 4 plates, so I need to work out what I'm going to do with that. But I love those. And then I've got some candles already set up from Monday when we celebrated Valentine's Day, and I got these lovely like rose coloured candles from Sainsbury's. They were £4 for 2, and I think they look really lovely. They're candlesticks. They are from Amazon. I'll try and link everything in the description below in case you would like to shop. These here are not anything to do with Valentine's Day, but Olivia made these on Monday for all of her grandparents. You can't see very well, but they've actually got her fingerprints and Freya's fingerprints in, which is just so cute. So anyway, the thing that I want to show you is here in this box. So these are from Marks and Spencer, and they are a treat for my friends. So let's get them out. Bear with me. So I got each of them these little mugs. Aren't they lovely? So they've got a love heart on them, and I just thought they were something that they would all use and keep and love. They've got like a speckled kind of effect, and yeah, I think they're really cute. So I've got 5 of those because there's 5 friends plus me is 6. I don't need one for myself. So I got one of those for them. And then I also got them each a loved bubble thing, which is a chocolate that I'm going to pop in there. So alongside the little chocolate that I'm going to pop in there for them, I'm also going to put in a few like beauty products and stuff. I get sent quite a few like pieces of beauty like items to try, and I can't always get through it all, so I've got quite a few that have never been opened, and I just thought it'd be nice to just kind of bulk out these cups and the chocolate with just some little like beauty bits for my friends so that they can treat themselves and really enjoy the products as well. So I'm going to do that with you. And then I've actually got loads of decorations as well to kind of decorate the table, so I thought we could do that together, get that all styled up and looking pretty, and then we will tomorrow go food shopping. So yeah, but Freya is currently having a nap. She is in here having a nap in the playroom. Oh, maybe not. She's now woken up. But yeah, I'm going to go upstairs and rummage through the beauty box and fill up these cups. So I've had a rummage through my rather large beauty box upstairs, and I have all of these wonderful things to pop into those cups for my friends. So we've got bits from Iconic, we've got mainly lots of stuff that have come out of glossy boxes, and we've got little treats from Esper. Yeah, so we've got lots of lovely little things. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and just put them together in the cups and work out what I'm going to do. I'm not going to try and make individual cups for each of my friends because I don't know what they would really like, but yeah, I'm just going to kind of put them together, and then they can always swap and change if there's anything that any of them would like more than something else, etc. And I'm sure we'll have loads of other bits left over that they can have a rummage through as well. But it's just so nice to be able to do this for them. All this stuff has just been sitting upstairs. I think it's just really nice for them to get a little treat as well. Why not share the love? So I'm gonna do that.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Good morning, everyone. It is actually the day of Galentine's Day. I didn't get a chance to come on here yesterday. We just had a really busy day, so I was sorting out lots of things for this, but also looking after the girls as well. So yeah, today is the day. It's currently about 10:30, and I need to do quite a lot. I'm riding solo for the morning, or in a little while, because Matt's going out. So I've got the girls and I need to get everything ready as well, so it should be fun. I'm hoping to kind of rope Olivia in to help me, and then Freya will just crawl around on the floor, no doubt. So I did get a food shop yesterday. I remember I said I was going to do that with you, or share that with you, and yeah, I ended up doing a delivery from Sainsbury's because it was just easier. So that arrived. So I'll show you what I have ordered and talk you through what my plan is. So let me spin you around. So here is the food for the afternoon tea. So the plan is that we are going to have sandwiches, because sandwiches are essential in afternoon tea. I'm going to do white bread and brown bread and then mix it up. I'm going to be doing tuna and mayo with some cucumber. I've got some soft cheese as well, which I'll probably do with some cucumber too. We've got ham sandwiches, and then I'm also going to do egg and cress. Kind of just basic sandwich choices, keeping it really simple. And we've got drinks as well, so I got a bottle of Prosecco. My friends aren't massive drinkers, and it is just us for the afternoon, and then we're all going to drive home. So I got this to share, and then we all do a little appetizer, so I got one of those as well for each of us. And then obviously the essentials that come with having afternoon tea are the scones. So I've got cheese scones and fruit scones. I actually did order 2 lots of cheese scones, but Sainsbury's have sent me clotted cream scones by accident. So yeah, someone will just not be able to have a savoury, or we'll probably cut them in half anyway, knowing us. But yeah, I've got some clotted cream to go with that, and then some lovely jam. And then for the top layer of afternoon tea, you normally have some cakes. So I got some French fancies because I think they're good, and some little Victoria sponge cakes, and then some profiteroles, which I'm just going to separate out so there's enough for one each, and then Olivia will probably eat those later because she loves a profiterole. So yeah, there's not too much. Unfortunately, I've had one friend who can't make it anymore, so there's now only 5 of us, so that does mean a lot less prep, I guess, in some way. Not too much, but yeah, it's sad that she can't come, but yeah, we've got 5 of us now, so I just need to really get started on making the food and everything. I also need to have a bit of a tidy up. And then I've also got these decorations to put up. I actually went to Sainsbury's the other day. These ones here, they're from Home Bargains. I picked them up ages ago, but then I went to Sainsbury's after Valentine's Day. I think it was like Wednesday I went, or Thursday, and they had these in the sale. These were like £1, I think, and these were like 50p, so I paid full price for those on the other day. But yeah, these are they were £1.50, so that's great. So I'm going to put those up. Then I've got their little cups sorted, and then my next job is to declutter the table. I've got Olivia's Pikachu outfit for World Book Day here. Yeah, I just need to dress the table and get that looking lovely. I also ordered a cake stand as well from Dunelm, so I'll get that set up and put a few bits and bobs on there, and I've got a few other like platters and stuff that I'm going to use too. So that's the plan. So I better crack on. I can hear someone calling my name.
Be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
So some time has passed since I last spoke to you. I've now dropped the girls off with my mum, and I have pretty much finished decorating like the table and the room. I put some bunting up, but we've got some little love hearts over there, and then I have styled up the table. You would have seen I put a placemat, and then I've used a charger plate, the napkin, a love heart plate, and then the gift for my friends. I've also popped these white cotton tablecloth or table runners on. These were a bargain. These were from John Lewis, and they were like £3.50 each, I think. They're 180 centimeters, which is the length of my table, but I wanted them just to hang a little bit, so I've just popped 2 on there, and looks fine. It works well, and yeah, these are a great alternative for like in the summer and stuff if we have barbecues and things and I want to like zhuzh up the table. So really happy with those. And then I've got my candlesticks and the candles from Sainsbury's just scattered across the table. I have just gone to Tesco and picked up some flowers to add to the table as well. They didn't have any like red roses, so I just got this kind of like selection, and I'm going to break them all up and pop them in these small little bud vases and just scatter them on the table as well. Probably all those things will come off as we have our afternoon tea. I still need to prep it, but I've got an hour and I don't think it'll take me that long, because really all I need to do is just make some sandwiches. So what I'm going to do first of all is have a quick tidy up. I need to hoover the floors and just generally tidy up the living room and the destruction that the girls have left behind, which isn't too bad to be honest. But yeah, that's my plan for the next hour. I did also really like to I really would like to curl my hair just to add something, and I probably need to change my jumper because I think I spilled something on it earlier, but I might not have time to do that. So yeah, that is the plan. I'm looking forward to it. And I've also got a new candle to light. I ordered this candle here from the White Company. It's their new spring candle, and I just love this like botanical style. I just think it's beautiful, so I'm going to open that and light it and just make it smell beautiful, because at the moment it smells a little bit like eggs in here because I was cooking the eggs earlier for the sandwiches. Yeah, anyway, better stop waffling and just get on.
Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
So one of my friends is now on her way round, and I haven't done the sandwiches yet, but I just wanted to show you what I have done. So we've got this little bit here all set up. How lovely does that look? So you've got cheese scones, fruit scones, Victoria sponge cakes, and then some French fancies on the top and some fruit and stuff. I just thought that was really simple. I know my friends, they don't need loads of sweet things. They just, yeah, it's fine. Plenty of food, plenty of food. So that's all over there, and then I have finished doing the table as well, and the little flowers just look so sweet. They really finish it off. I absolutely love it. I hope they love it. I'm sure they will. But yeah, I'm basically running out of time, so I'm gonna have to not come on here anymore and just get on with making these sandwiches. But as you can see, it's all looking really, really lovely. I just can't wait for them to get here and just have some time together, catching up, and yeah, just good company really. It's always so lovely to see my friends, and I love the fact that I am able to treat them and do something lovely for them, just to say thank you for being wonderful. So yeah, that is going to actually tie up the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it inspired you to treat your friends and say thank you to the people that you love, whether it's on Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, whatever it is. Every day, just say thank you and keep your loved ones close and dear. So until next week, have a great week everyone, and I'll see you then. Bye.